Whoever said you can't teach an old dog new tricks clearly has never met a tech savvy grandparent who started an online affiliate marketing business. And if you're sitting there thinking, yeah, but I'm not techie enough for all of that, listen up. Wisdom beats tech skills hands down. So positive thinking isn't just some fluffy self-help idea. It's the foundation for building real discipline in life and in business. I'm Lisa Renee. Welcome to the Laptop Retirement. Let's talk about how a positive mindset can make you more consistent, more focused, and make you a lot tougher than you actually think you are. Starting something new after 50 can sometimes feel intimidating. All the gadgets, software, social media platforms. It's like learning a new language. But here's the thing. Truth? Discipline doesn't come from knowing it all. It comes from showing up anyway, even when you don't feel like it. And it's being willing to learn as you go and build. Positive thinking isn't pretending that everything is fine when your website's breaking or your YouTube upload fails or you forgot to turn the mic on. I've done that so many times. It's saying, okay, let's figure this out. And that simple mental shift turns frustration into progress. When you believe you can actually figure things out, you don't quit. And that right there is positive thinking fueling discipline. And consistency is actually the real magic. We all want results fast, but honestly, building an online business, especially an affiliate marketing business, takes consistency. And consistency is impossible if your thoughts are tearing you down. You've got to protect your mindset like it's your retirement fund. Each small win, a blog post published, a new keyword learned, a video uploaded, it's proof that you're actually growing. Celebrate it. Celebrate those wins. It's those little tiny baby steps that add up to like big transformation. I learned about this woman. I got to tell you, she ran her whole affiliate marketing business. Let's just call her Margaret. Margaret ran her whole affiliate marketing business with nothing but coffee stained napkins. Yeah, she'd be sitting there drinking her coffee and something would hit her and strike her. And she'd start making notes, whether it was planning her day or whatever it was. She always took her notes and built her affiliate marketing empire on napkins. No fancy planners, I kid you not. No fancy apps on her phone, nothing. And you know what? It works. Discipline doesn't come from all those fancy tools. It comes from using what you have and doing it daily. Every single day. Now, if you're still trying to figure out what your niche is, basically that's your topic, what kind of content you're going to create, I've created a tool. It's a worksheet. The link is down below in the description. It's a free niche finder worksheet. It's going to help you hone it down and narrow it down into one very specific niche. And it's going to help you find something that you're going to be interested in and profitable, and you have to do something that you actually enjoy doing. So grab that, like I said, link below. Now here's the part that most people miss. Positive thinking alone won't build your business. It has to be paired with purpose. You have to know your why. Your why is what keeps you disciplined when motivation fades, and motivation always fades. Maybe your why is freedom. Maybe it's proving that starting over after 50, after 60, after 70 is not impossible. It has to be powerful. It has to be personal to you. Your why is going to be your reason. It's going to be why you stop negotiating with all your excuses and allows you to stay disciplined. And sometimes humor is a huge, important piece of the puzzle, because sometimes you just have to laugh when you want to throw your laptop out of the window. And I have many times. So you just got to sit back and go, okay, I can get through this. Every time something goes wrong, and it will, just remember it's all part of the journey, and you're learning and you're growing. Laugh, learn, and just keep moving forward. You know, you'll be amazed at how much easier discipline becomes when you stop taking every mistake personal. So let's make this actionable. I've got 5 habits that are going to keep your head clear and all your goals on track when things start to go wrong. So the first thing is start your day every day with a mental yes. Before checking your phone, decide what you're going to accomplish for the day. Cut out the energy leaks. That means stop doom scrolling, less complaining, and more doing. Learn one thing daily. Maybe watch a tutorial, tweak your website, try a new keyword strategy. And by all means, track your progress. You'll stay more motivated, which makes discipline easier when you can see your progress. And when you see how far you've come, you know, reward your consistency, not perfection. The goal isn't flawless effort, it's daily effort. Positive thinking builds the belief that you are capable. Now, you don't have to go this alone. Being part of a community that supports you makes staying disciplined so much easier. That's why I always recommend joining Wealthy Affiliate. It's absolutely free to get started and see if it's what's for you. But they have this huge global community that everybody is learning and growing, and everybody wants to help everybody else. They've got the training, they've got the tools, they've got the community that keeps you motivated and helps you stay consistent. So go ahead, I got the links below. Hop in there and you can see what's all possible. Here's what I want you to remember. You're not too late. You're not too old. You're right on time. Positive thinking isn't about ignoring the hard stuff. It's about facing it with optimism and grit. You've got decades of experience. You've got stories, wisdom, and the world needs to hear it. So keep learning, keep creating, and keep showing up. You know, because the more you stay positive, the more disciplined you become. And that's where real success lives and grows. Stay positive, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video.